Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Happy holiday season. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, whatever it is you celebrate. Happy to you. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching these videos, for being a patron all these years, for supporting me. I thank you all so much for that. I don't think I'll be doing any other trading for the rest of the year unless something dramatic takes place. So I just wanted to say once again, thank you to all of you for tuning in. Please like, share, and subscribe to my videos this year so that you know in 2023, each time I put out one of those videos, you are aware, you are told about it, you are sent an email, you are notified. Barring that, again, take a week off, kiss the kids or measure them if you haven't seen them in a while. You know what I mean? Enjoy yourself, smell the roses. These markets are going nowhere. They will be here for us January 1st and all of next year. So please take some time off, enjoy yourselves. Again, smell the roses. We'll come back next year and beat these markets silly. What you've got in front of you, just in case you are going to trade this week, this is basically interest rates rising, and because bonds are dropping, this is the 30-year bond chart, and if bond futures are going down, interest rates are rising, and if interest rates continue to rise, it puts pressure on the stock market, so we are looking at downside stock market if rates continue to rise in the fashion they are. More about that a week from now, traders. Enjoy your holiday season. Thank you so much for tuning in. Love all you cats. Appreciate everything that you do for me. And I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Now remember, no matter what happens towards the end of this year, at the end of this year, or any time next year, remember to keep your emotions out of this game. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Thank you once again. I will see you all in 2023.